Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So today I just want to make a very short video review on this Bandai 30 minutes mission plastic model kit extended armament vehicle, the spacecraft. I bought the black version because I couldn't find a purple one, but it's okay. So inside the box we have two plastic bags of runners and then this instruction manual. And about the build, well, the build is pretty straightforward. All you need is cut the parts from the runners and assemble them using all the instruction provided. Just pretty straightforward. So this is runner number 1, runner number 2, number 3, and we also have a set of polycaps, and this is the final runner. 4 runners in total, and this is this spacecraft, and it looks pretty amazing. The view from every angle, and talking about the articulation, yes, it is impressive as a vehicle or maybe a support unit. So many movement that you can do. It can move like this, side to side like that, and this part of the back too can be moved. And if you realize, the part of the back is actually from the previous 30 minutes mission design, the space type, and the front parts can move like this, and this one, and at this front section here we have a gun, and at the top we have plenty of 3mm holes, and these are the spare fit, the extra fit, and we have the extra hat and also the spare polycaps, and the size comparison with the other 30 minutes mission kit. Like I have here the Portanova, and this is the latest one here. It's pretty big, it's pretty dope. And this is the new hat design. Looks pretty dope. There's no eye sticker included, so you need to paint the eye by yourself. So to change the fit, it's pretty simple. Just take this part off and use the spare polycap and put this back in, and you have the chicken fit here. And this part at the top can be rotated like this. It's pretty amazing. And this part at the back got some pretty nice details, just like the Roy from the previous 30 minutes mission model kit. Some articulation there. It is fully detachable. You can turn this into a backpack, make it as a weapon holder, a bow, or anything that you can imagine. And you can make this new legs too, just like the previous 30 minutes mission space type version. It's actually the same design. I bought 2 sets for custom build, and for my future Let's Customize series I have a lot to do and a lot to share for you guys in the future. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Eizy Customizer Facebook page and my Instagram Eizy. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here on Eizy Customizer we build, we share, and we're inspired. See you guys next time. Ciao.